Hello Libra, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of November 2020. We will see what kind of vibrations you're getting in this month, what are your partner's energies, what are the hobbies, things you should actually do in this month which will give you benefit, what exactly you should release as an energy, and also what is it that you should expect or you can expect from November 2020 as a gift. And as usual, we are going to start the reading with the very first card, which is your theme of the month card. The theme, which is going to be the highlight for this month for you. We will pick that first. And before we even start that, I would like to share my contact numbers with you so that if you want to share your experiences with me, you want to get your personalized reading booked with me, you can reach me easily. So the number you can WhatsApp me, call me, or Telegram me is 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. You can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. It's going to be easy, very easily. You can reach me, and I am very proactive with my messages, so you will receive a reward very soon just after your message. So let's get ahead and see your energies in the month of November 2020, Libra. The very first card, that's a beautiful card, I must tell you that. I am sure you will recognize this card. It has come in your reading previously also. This card says wish wisely, Libra. So this month is going to give you gifts, your manifestations, your prayers, your affirmations, whatever you've been planning for so long now. I think the God angels are going to answer those prayers now. Your prayers will be answered in November 2020, Libra. Um, when we say wish wisely, there's one more thing which comes along with that. When you're wishing something, make sure the wish is positive. Do not think about putting others down or maybe thinking of their loss. Think about how can you benefit yourself, how can you invite positivity in your life. So let others be the way they are. You focus on your improvement, your betterment, a better life for you, a better life for your near and dear ones, rather than focusing, oh, I wish that this person loses his position or loses his control over his life, loses his lover, and stuff like that. People do have negative intentions towards others. I will only suggest you, if you are getting that golden opportunity to make your life better, then please ask your angels to make your life better. Once you feel better, you are better. People will anyways going to envy you, right? So why to ask for these kind of negative things when you can make your life so beautiful, so beautiful, Libra, right? Moving towards on that note, towards the other side of the reading, the very first week. The very first week talks about emotional stability in your life. If you have been looking for a relationship, and specifically, this card is very beautiful when it comes to people who are looking for relationships right now. Ace of Wands is blessing you with a beautiful, passionate relationship which will bring some emotional stability in your life. So, this person and whosoever is coming into your life, this person is a person who's actually going to fill your life with a lot of passion, a lot of emotions, and emotional stability, emotional relationships are stepping into your life. And now the people who are already in a relationship, they will have a question what happens to our relationship there. I will say that if you're not getting well with your partner, I will advise you to be away from alcohol or any kind of addiction right now at this point in time, because that will not be good for you. People who are struggling with their relationships right now, there's a new passion, new spark is going to embark in your relationship. Is make it, it'll make it spark again, so you'll feel a spark in your relationship again. That's one. Second thing what I will suggest here is that be focused in your life, and do not be like an emotional burden on your partner. So do not be oversensitive with your partner, because that's going to burden them with your you might be acting like a crybaby, and they will say that they're tired of managing you. So these are the things which are happening here for multiple people, different scenarios, different situations, and obviously the outcome will also be different in the first week. Moving to the second week with these energies. Now, what is happening? Libra, with these energies, love relationship, maybe that is your focus or that is the energy cards which are coming here. But along with that, you're working on something for a very long time and you have invested a lot of hard work in that. And now the time has come where you can expect positive results out of it. So, if you are into creative fields, if you are into fields where a lot of diplomacy is required, a lot of creativity is required in those fields, I think you're going to grow in the month of November. Second week will give you those opportunities. I am taking a pause here and I'm going back to the very first card we had pulled in this reading wherein I said, wish wisely. So here I'm telling you, wish wisely for the second week and in the second week, because universe is giving you opportunity to grow yourself, to make yourself a better professional, to make yourself a better person altogether. In relationships, if you have invested a lot of time, efforts in your relationships already, now the time has come that you can expect the outcome, the fruit, sweet fruit of your patience now in the second week, guys. So it's a beautiful time for you, Libra. Moving to the third week, and this week is particularly very important for people who are fighting right now, who are not into an amicable relationship. Now, what's happening is that wherein first set of Libras, they are waiting for the sweet outcome of their love, or maybe the sweet fruit of love, the patience, sweet fruit of patience here. On the other side, there are few Libras who are going through some kind of abuse. Now, when I say abuse, what kind of abuse is this? It is a verbal abuse. A few partners of Libra, they are acting abusive in the month of November, specifically categorically third week, where it increases. And what is happening is that you are just putting your swords down, you're putting your weapons down, and you say, I don't care what you say whatever you want to, it doesn't impact me at all now, and I don't care now. I do not care. So I don't care attitude has come into your relationship now. So if you're dealing with a Libra right now, and Libras, if you're dealing with your partners right now, I think the upper limit of your patience has already reached, and the time has come that you should actually take an action here in this relationship. Also, in few cases, I still see some scope of negotiation and betterment. Why? Because this one card I had pulled for you in the third week, which was a relationship card, and I wanted to see what advice it is coming to you in such a scenario. It says great love is worth taking the step you're guided to take. So make an effort. If you still feel and see a scope of making up in this relationship and making it better, then I think you should actually take that one step. And I think when you both will have a conversation together to sort it out, you will be able to sort it out. But if you have decided that the upper limit has already reached, you can't be with this person anymore, there the advice what I'll give you is that just move on, because the last week is giving you this card and it says there is a transformation happening anyways in your life. There's a phase which is getting over in your life anyways, so you will have to move to a different phase of your life, and that's happening. I want to mention one more thing here which I see interconnected with each other. There was a card which I had shown you, this had come in the second week, wherein you were about to get the results of your hard work. There's a continuation to that card in the fourth week for these people, and here you see some family time, good flourished relationships, happy time, and then you are happy, satisfied. So the satisfaction is reaching you by end of November for few of the Libras, and that's a beautiful energy, Libra. You can feel satisfied about it. If you have romantic relationships towards romantic feelings towards anyone, and you think that you are confused that you should explore it or not explore it, I think go ahead and explore it now, because it is worth taking a chance with this person. That's that. This is for single Libras who are looking for a relationship. And there is one more card which says time to make a demonstration. um this card is related to the card which I had just pulled, which talked about exploring your romantic side, romantic feelings with the person whom you are eyeing right now. I think they also have similar mutual feelings for you, so it will be worth taking a shot with them, because you will succeed and you will get a yes from them. So it's a good chance for you. Move ahead, make your life positive, be happy, and do say no to abuse, guys. Whatever kind of relationship you are in, it can be a man who's abusing a woman, it can be a woman who's abusing a man. It can be both ways, and from the both sides. So whosoever you are, do not make your life miserable with such people, because it's a very rude energy, very aggressive energy, very shrewd energy, very selfish kind of energy, what I see here. So move on, guys, and take care. Be positive, be nice to people around you. Stay connected with me, keep on watching my videos, keep connected with me, and keep sharing my videos with your friends, family, so that we become a larger family by the end of this year. Okay, thank you so much. Take care, and God bless you guys, and be happy. Bye.